आप अपने लिए सवाल नहीं करते हैं, आप सवाल करते हैं मिलियंस ऑफ लोग, जो लोग सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं, आप उनकी आवाज़ हैं।
I have with me a few reporters who will be asking questions on corruption and Lokpal bill.
So my question is, do you see the enactment of the Lokpal bill with this monsoon session of Parliament?
चिदम्बरम सर से ये सवाल पूछना है कि 1968 से लोकपाल बिल का मसला सामने आया है, 2011 हो गए हैं, फिर भी अब तक लोकपाल बिल पास नहीं हुआ। क्या हमारी सरकार भ्रष्टाचार के मामले में इसी गति से आगे बढ़ती रहेगी क्या?
लोकपाल बिल के प्रतिनिधि कौन रहेंगे और किस आधार पर?
Are people like Anna Hazare wrong in taking the path of satyagraha to fight against corruption?
Okay, my question is, if the Lokpal bill is about common layman, then why political parties are taking in part, and does our government is so corrupted the people has to starve for their own rights?
Because of yesterday's cabinet reshuffle, in which ministries like law have been reshuffled, would the fate of Lokpal enactment be affected?
सरकार प्रधानमंत्री और उच्च न्यायालय को लोकपाल बिल को लाने में क्यों असमर्थ है?
The last question probably to end this press conference would be, after the enactment of Lokpal bill, what is the government stand, or what does the government feel about washing away corruption and making it to level 0 in India today?
Friends, as you all know, we always come up with something new, Bollywood news. So this time we took the topic of Khan rule in Bollywood. Our reporters are going to interview many of the celebs from the industry.
My first question is for Ranbir Kapoor. Do you think there is a rivalry between you and Salman Khan, as in his recent film, your song has been played after the credits was played?
And my question is to Ranbir Kapoor, that do you feel that Kapoor's phase is getting over due to Khan's phase in recent times?
My question is to Amir Khan, that he has directed so many, produced so many films like Three Idiots, then Dhobi Ghat. So my question is, what message do you want to give to people and youngsters by producing a film like Delhi Belly?
Do you think that Amir Khan is better than any other Khans?
मुझे सब खानों को इंडस्ट्री के खान में से सब खान को एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है कि आपकी जो खान प्रोडक्शंस में से जो फिल्म्स आती है, उनमें आप क्यों सिर्फ खान हीरो को मीन्स खान हीरो को ही क्वेश्चन इंट्रोड्यूस क्यों करते हैं?
Do you have a problem with Ranbir Kapoor or kind of his film making?
As if now we are hearing that there's Khan war going on in the industry. So do you think that will this affect to the Khan rule in the Bollywood, as it is we can see that there's much of Khan rule going on in the Bollywood industry?
Child labor, like in India today, even if child labor is banned, still outside many children are working. So
everybody knows that in India child labor is banned. So why there is still child labor going on in India?
I would like to ask the question, why government is not taking any actions against poverty and child labor?
मेरा क्वेश्चन है, अपने देश में छोटे बच्चों के काम करने की ज़्यादा संख्या क्यों है?
My question is to government, when it's supporting ban of child labor, why isn't it taking actions for family planning like other countries doing?
अगर गवर्नमेंट चाइल्ड लेबर के अगेंस्ट कोई एक्शन ले रहा है, तो फिर भी चाइल्ड लेबर क्यों बढ़ रहा क्यों है?
मी सोशल नेटवर्किंग स्टुडंट या विषयावर आपल्याशी संवाद साधत आहे.
I just want to ask to every student that why are we getting so addicted to these social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter and all those things.
And my question is, why nowadays sites have been hacked instead of security settings?
माझा प्रश्न प्रत्येक पालकांसाठी असा आहे की तुमची मुलं
जास्तीत जास्त वेळ ऑनलाईन घालवतात, तर ते तुम्हाला पटतं का? आणि जर पटत नसेल तर तुम्ही त्यांना सपोर्ट का करता?
What satisfaction get from web and Twitter and why? Is that crime?
मैं सिर्फ यही पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आजकल के जो बच्चे होते हैं वो सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स पे तो होते ही हैं, लेकिन वो बहुत ही गलत भाषा में बात करते हैं, तो क्या वो सही है?
I want to ask the question to the students and the youth that why do you think that you should be updated on such social networking?
My question is, do you think that social networking has increased cybercrime? If yes, then why?
सायबर क्राईम बँच असताना सुद्धा सायबर क्राईम का वाढत आहेत?
बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स मतलब एडिक्ट हो रहे हैं, तो हाउ कैन वी प्रिवेंट इट? बाय गेटिंग एडिक्टेड टू इट, बेसिकली यूथ्स.
Here I would like to ask questions to serial makers like Ekta Kapoor and Rajan Sahi, that why are they making serials only on Saas Bahus? Why not on any other serials?
My question is why people are only highlighting the family subject, family drama subject, when there are other important concepts to be highlighted.
There are so many matters to tell about the youngsters, but these producers are just telling about only the Saas Bahus and not about the any other matter.
Is there any need of showing child marriages and troubled vows, whereas the people are concerned in this monetary age and to achieve their targets?
Why these Saas Bahu serials runs for so long time? Is why people are so as poor families when in the background when we can then wearing heavy jewelry and sarees and her house is posh as well.
की या सिरियलचा एवढा प्रभाव आमच्या रोजच्या जीवनात का पडतोय?
The topic that today we are concentrating is on the family dramas that are going on in every house. We want to concentrate on, is it necessary that every person looks at that drama? Because my mother, I have to sit. Is it necessary for me to do that? And what is there for the youth? What is the television offering us?
camera, and I was getting butterflies in my stomach, but then I was like, no, I have to do it, and I did it. I don't know I did it very nicely or poorly, but still I tried my best, and yeah, surely my confidence got boosted up.
These people coming here helped us a lot in building up our confidence.
Whenever we come in front of camera or any kind of incident, we just keep all senses of all body senses open.
कॅमेरा समोर कसं बोलायचं, सगळे फ्रेंड्स कसे बोलले, पूर्ण बोलायचा पण अनुभव भेटला, घाबरून काय होणार नाही, एवढं मला एक्सपिरियन्स.
I thank all you people for giving us such a practical exposure, and for an interactive session. We learn all these in theory, but such a practical exposure will definitely help us.
Seeing you all, I am very adamant to become a better journalist than
खूप साऱ्या शंका असायच्या आणि पण आज सगळं इतकं छान पद्धतीने सांगितलं की म्हणजे बॉडी लँग्वेज कॉन्फिडन्स कसं असलं पाहिजे हा आजच्या मला वर्कशॉपमध्ये नीट समजलं.
I came to know like how to cope up with other people in our team and how to go about everything, like how to take bites and everything.
Waiting for this opportunity from when to go on camera and introduce myself. So I'm really thankful to you all that you all came up here and you have kept such an interactive session.
म्हणजे आपला जर क्वेश्चन आपला तुमचा विचारायचा असेल तर आपण कमीत कमी शब्दात जास्तीत जास्त इन्फॉर्मेशन कशी प्रोव्हाइड करू शकतो आपल्या मासेसला हे वर्कशॉपमध्ये खरंच जास्तीत जास्त प्रमाणात शिकायला.
नेहमी भाषेचं कुठे ना कुठेतरी दडपण आपल्या मनात असतं, पण जर तुम्हाला मी मराठीत बोलताना आणि जस्ट 2 मिनिटानंतर इंग्लिशमध्ये एवढ्याच चांगल्या परीने बोलताना बघितलं तर ऑब्वियसली माझा कॉन्फिडन्स आहे.
जब आप कैमरे के सामने आते हो तब जो दिमाग में जो होता है वो सब फटाक से निकल जाता है, वो सीखने को मिला. और थैंक यू वेरी मच, आपने इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हम लोगों को दिया.
मज़ा आई.